back to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning how to convert from fractions to decimals. So here our equation is 4 over 10. So as you can see, the 4 is the numerator and the 10 is the denominator. So to get into decimals, you have to first see how many zeros there are in the denominator and if there are any. Count them, and in this case there's 1. So what you want to do is basically push if there's 1 0, then you push your decimal point 1 place back to the left. So basically it's 4 divided by 10, which then would equal, like, you have your 4 and then you want to push your decimal point 1 back, so it would be here. So your answer is 0.4. This is our second equation. So the first step is basically the same. Count the zeros in the denominator if there are any. So in this case there is 2. So over here you want to put your decimal point 2 back. So 1 and 2. So you go your decimal point will go there. So your answer is 0.27. This is our third equation, and as you can see it's a little bit different to the ones we did before because the denominator doesn't have any zeros. So for this fraction there's actually 2 ways to convert. So let me show you the first way. So firstly you could do 1 divided by 4. So we'll put the 0 point because 4 can't go into 1. So then we can add the 0 because we put the point. 4 goes into 10 twice, so we can put the 8 down here. Then we can minus. So it equals 2. And then we can add another 0 because it doesn't go in there. So 4 goes into 20 5 times. So we can write 5 at the top. So our answer is 0.25. So the second way is to convert the 1 over 4 to make it something over 10, 100 or 1000. So we know that 4 doesn't go into 10, but we know that 4 goes into 100 25 times. So if we times the bottom by 25, we have to times the top by 25. So it's times by 25 times by 25. So your answer is 25 over 100. So remember what we did in the beginning. Count the zeros. So there are 2 zeros here, and then you want to push that back left. So there are 2 zeros, so you're going to put your 25 and then count 1 and 2. So your decimal will go there. So your answer is 0.25. Here is our fourth equation. So to solve this, you'll have to do 1 divided by 6. So how many times does 6 go into 1? 0 times. So we'll have to write 0 and then point. So now we can add a 0 down here. How many times does 6 go into 10? Once. So we can write out 1, and 6 times 1 equals 6. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 6 doesn't go into 4, so we can add another 0. How many times does 6 go into 40? 6 times. So 6 times 6 equals 36. Minus, we left with a 4. And then same thing again, 40. If you recognize the pattern, it's 40 after 40 after 40. So your answer is basically 0.166.